Galaxy Tab S7 Plus runs at 120Hz of refresh rate at maximum screen resolution. Samsung first made the move to high refresh rate tech with the Galaxy S20 series earlier this year, and the newly announced Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus also have 120Hz of display. While the high refresh rate makes the wonderful user experience, owner of the Galaxies S20 and S20 Plus and S20 Ultra have not been pleased with the fact that they cannot use the maximum screen resolution on their phone with 120Hz mode is enabled. The same limitation is placed on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as well, and as we have learned a few months back, it's because the processor doesn't provide the required bandwidth to drive the high refresh rate at a QHD Plus resolution. However, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus actually makes full use of the screen resolution and 120Hz of refresh rate. Samsung isn't clear on the method used to achieve this. Perhaps the aforementioned bandwidth issued was addressed by the newer Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, or perhaps the Snapdragon 865 was capable of achieving the same result, but the Exynos 990 could not, and Samsung leveled the playing field by not giving that option inside the S20 series. And since the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus only comes with Qualcomm chipset solution regardless of the market, the Exynos 990 was no longer a burden that needed accounting for. This is only speculation, of course, and maybe it's not an issue of a bandwidth after all. Instead, it could be that the larger 10,090 mAh of a battery made it possible for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus to run 120Hz refresh rate on 2800 by 1752 resolution, which haven't been achieved on Galaxy S20 series or the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Whatever the case may be, it's great news for the prospective of Galaxy Tab S7 Plus buyer, as yet we don't know if the base of the Galaxy Tab S7 model can run 120Hz of refresh rate at maximum resolution. But that information maybe arrive sooner when the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus hit the market. Another news which is coming from Samsung, and that is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 gets a Maystic Red version in South Korea. Well, we know that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 officially comes in Mystic Green, Mystic Grey color option in addition to the Mystic Bronze color. Well, it's appeared that the company home market is getting a bit of a special treatment, and an exclusive for now Mystic Red Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G has been introduced. The vanilla variant of the phone has a bright red back and similar glowing S Pen as is the norm these days. There is also a custom wallpaper for this phone which is exclusive to local carrier KT, although we would expect that this color would be available global scene eventually. On the inside, it is very similar to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 phone like any other, and the Exynos 990 chipset with 5G modem and 8GB of RAM to keep it company. There is only one memory variant in South Korea, and that is going to be 256GB of storage. And also there is no slot for any memory card, a feature that was last seen in Galaxy Note series back in 2015 with the Galaxy Note 5. The price of the phone is around about $866, and although getting it on a contract will take it down. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the 120Hz refresh rate which is going to be introduced in Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and what are your thoughts about the new color option which is available right now in the Galaxy Note 20? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.